Yes, sir. I'll ask you two questions before my colleague again can ask you a few. What do you make of this order based on today's order? So is Mr. Srinivasan still the president, or has he stepped down? Has he stepped aside? What is the ground reality?
He has been asked not to function as a president. His removal or non-removal will be decided by the court at the end after it has heard both sides. They have heard me for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. They will now hear the BCCI, and it's very odd that the BCCI is screaming so hard about this, because this is about Mr. Srinivasan being removed. The institution should not worry about who the president is. But anyway, you know, at one time we used to have this slogan in India, India is Indira, Indira is India. Now this is like Srinivasan is BCCI and BCCI is Srinivasan. That is what is going on. You know, the lawyer for BCCI appeared before the committee, which is recorded at page 71. In so many words the committee says, that lawyer said, even if Meyyappan is guilty, India Cement should not be punished. Now BCCI is the authority who should be cancelling the franchise if Meyyappan as a owner or a team official is guilty of corruption. They should be asking India Cements questions instead of supporting India Cements. That part of the sentence is so clear in the committee's report. That is what I argued in court, that this is conflict of action, conflict of interest in action. I mean, what more proof do you require? And today BCCI, instead of asking the captain to explain, did you say this to the committee, is saying that the committee saying this is a scurrilous allegation, because to say my allegation is scurrilous means that the committee's allegation is scurrilous.